In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix this video file cannot be played error 224003. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now this happens if there is a sudden data interruption. And this can also happen because a browser extension is blocking the incoming video segments, or hardware acceleration has desynced from your graphics card, or your browser's media cache has corrupted. So what you want to do is rule out any ad blockers. Open up your browser of choice, and then all you want to do is press Control Shift and N, and then try and open up that browser and that video in an incognito tab. If the video plays flawlessly, that means a browser extension on your non-incognito tab is messing things up. So just go to your extensions and then just go ahead and press three little dots and then remove from Chrome any extensions that you don't need. And if your web browser's media wrapper struggles to decode the video's high definition compression, then what we're going to do is click the three little dots in the top right, then go to Settings, then go to System, and if you have graphics acceleration currently on, switch it to off if it was already on, and see if that works when you try and play your video now. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.